after a painfully long time of programming this panel, over 4 hours straight, I've gotten my little alarm panel here programmed for the upcoming 2018 Santa Spy system. This is just a sneak peek of stuff, so I'm just gonna go through some various things on this keypad, so I'll just show the display. So I can hold this steady. There we go. Okay, I'm in area 2 now. It's changed by this one keypad, so now if I push the star button, we'll see other points faulted. There we are. Oh, terrible focus. Still terrible focus. There we go. So yes, as you saw, there was obviously more than the onboard 8 points programmed in this. So yes, I will be getting a point expansion unit for this panel, which is a quite rare board. So yeah, I'll have 16 points to mess with now. They're all programmed. 3 keypads as well. So yeah, that's a little sneak peek. So I will make more videos on the SSS soon, just not yet, because it's not close enough to Christmas right now. Have a nice day anyway.